Right now where I'm at is expanding some of the ideas that I had in the past. So I've had epiphanies in the past for creative ideas, and what I've done is I've found ways to make them bigger, make them more useful, broaden their field in the community and around the city here in Buffalo. For example, just started a new project with the Oshai Children's Hospital, and that's something that came out of an idea I had over 10 years ago through the creative studies class I took. When I was a student here at Buff State, I took a creative studies intro course. Part of that course teaches us how to act creatively, how to be creative. It shows us that we are creative. And so I applied some of those principles, and as a result, I came up with a new idea for a project called Faces of Buffalo Community Art Mosaics. That project was a success. It has raised thousands of dollars for different organizations throughout the past 10 years. Over 100,000 people have participated in that project since its inception. And now I'm going to be making a large mosaic for the lobby of the Oshai Children's Hospital here in Buffalo, which is being built now and is scheduled to open in 2017. Do you know what they told us was, hey, just relax, take a deep breath. Suspend judgment on your thinking. Remember when we were kids and nothing really mattered? There wasn't anything to be afraid of. No ideas were crazy. You were in tune with your imagination. And that's what I did. I said, why not? I'll take the leap, I'll try it, and see what happens. So, what I did was I wrote and let the ideas come out. I think it was number 43 that I wrote, collect self-portraits from everyone in Buffalo, New York equals big mosaic of a Buffalo. And that's how I found out about Faces of Buffalo Community Art Mosaics. Right away when the idea came, it was blinding for me, really. I said, really? Is that something I could actually do? It was my own disbelief or my own doubt that was standing in the way. But I saw it right away. I saw all of the good that could come out of this project. I saw the little kid drawing his self-portrait, which would go into the mosaic with all the other people in the community. I saw people who were children and adults coming together, uniting the diversity of our community. And it was these images of wellness, of participation, of goodness that helped me overcome my doubt and my fears about implementing that project. Some of the attributes that I believe I have representing everyday creativity are, for one, I believe that anything is possible. I just know it. And it's knowing that makes it so. For example, if I wanted to get an apple out of my refrigerator, I'd have to believe there was one in there, or I'd never even bother to take the action to look, to get it, and to eat it. So, one of the most important attributes is just knowing, beyond a shadow of a doubt, believing, sincerely taking the position that anything is possible. If I had a magic wand and I could wave it and grant people 3 wishes related to creativity, the first one would probably be that they would suspend judgment on their own thinking. They would put aside ideas that they aren't creative. They would take on a different identity, one where they just declare like, hey, why not? Maybe, why not? I am creative. So they would lose their fear. They would lose their doubt. They would lose that old identity that says that they are not creative.